This video looks at a new tool in the MPLAB X IDE that shows how certain compiler options affect a project's code size. Microchip's MPLAB XCC compilers can perform many advanced optimizations. Once enabled with the purchase of a Pro license, compiler options are used to enable these features. But selecting the best optimization is not a case of simply enabling everything. Some optimizations reduce the size of the program image. Others might improve execution speed, but result in larger code size. In all cases, however, the effectiveness of an optimization will vary from one project to the next. How do you know what options to use, and which will work best for your project? The Compiler Advisor is an analytical tool accessible from the MPLAB X IDE that builds your project using different configurations of options, so you can compare the resulting program sizes. And for customers using an unlicensed compiler, it also shows the benefits a Pro license would offer, building with optimizations not normally accessible. The Compiler Advisor can be used with any project and with any Microchip device. Open it from the Tools menu. Select Analysis, Compiler Advisor. In the window that appears, you will see information at the top regarding the project currently open. Click the Analyze button to begin. The Compiler Advisor will then create configurations of your project, each adjusting the options that might affect the size of the resulting program image, as well as its data usage. These configurations are built, then the Compiler Advisor window is updated with a graphic display of the results. Each column shows the results for one configuration of options. A line plot of data usage is drawn over bars indicating the program size. Hover your mouse pointer over an orange bar to see the exact numbers. The first column shows the test results for the configuration you had selected in the IDE when initiating the analysis. The other columns show the results for configurations that use the compiler options that are listed below. Each option is a link. Click these to go to a description of the optimization in the compiler documentation. In this analysis, we see typical results for a licensed compiler. The program size decreases with higher optimization levels, but increases when the speed-orientated Level 3 optimizations are employed. An assessment of a program's execution speed would need to be measured separately on your device hardware. The results for other device-specific options show that some work better than others for this particular project. To complement these findings, the complete transcript of all test builds is shown in the output view, including the compiler command lines, any warning messages issued, and the time taken to build each configuration. If you are using an unlicensed compiler, which doesn't implement all optimizations, the Compiler Advisor will perform similar but fewer tests, using options that are available in free mode. It will, however, compare these results with what could have been obtained if you had been using a licensed compiler and a higher optimization level. You can have the Compiler Advisor copy a tested configuration into your project by pressing the relevant Save Config button. In the dialog shown, you can name the project configuration and set this as the active configuration for the project if desired. Once complete, it will appear with any other project configurations you have created. The Compiler Advisor is a free tool shipped with the latest MPLAB X IDE. Let it take some of the guesswork out of choosing the best optimization settings for your next project.